All right, what is up? Mo with iGrow. And we're going to jump this one off with a Gyrosma Hasal. This is a diatom. These are found worldwide in marine and freshwater. Look at the epifluorescence on that. I mean, that chloroplast just blows up red with this thing. So I got this sample from my local aquarium shop I'd never been to. Finatic Aquatics is the name of the shop. These guys were amazing. I mean, I walked in there, never met them before, just completely ready to answer any questions I had. And I wanted to pick their brains about my purple non-sulfur bacteria and chlorella. So I'm kind of leaning into this aquarium world. Dude, that is an amazing, brilliant shot under epifluorescent. That chloroplast is booming. Anyway, shout out to these guys and gals, and they are just completely just all about it. Look at this thing. I've already, this is a pre-recorded, but this directly ties into soil for me because there are times where I see little bright orange specks, and I can't necessarily ID it as plastic, and I find it in organic matter. So looking at this, I do use a lot of freshwater biology. But look at that, dude. Doesn't get any brighter than that. This thing here was zipping around everywhere. My camera took a crap on me, which, anyway, I don't know if my epi killed it, stunned it, but again, look at the color under epifluorescent lighting on this thing. I have no doubt in my mind it is a eukaryote because of its behavior when it was moving around, and I'm sorry I can't share that. Blame it on the BioVid camera. But look at that. Wild. And I don't see any cilia on that. I don't see these little hairs that cilia used to move as fast as this thing was moving. You know, it's moving around like a ciliate with no hairs. So I don't know what to think of that. I'm gonna have to do a little more research on these microbes. I don't know enough yet about the aquatic stuff. I definitely gonna end up diving in. Here's another member of the diatom family. This is a Cylindrotica clustarium. This is a phytoplankton. You know, these things are great to have in your system because they feed the fish and they feed their little herbivores that are in there. You just don't want too many of them, like anything. You don't want to misbalance in the system. Of course, it's going to glow red. Here's the difference between the red and orange. I'm telling you, these are discoveries here. Help me with understanding my soils. But you guys, obviously, water quality is important to you, Finatic Aquatics, because your samples are clean. I had to prep multiple slides just to even find what I did find. And I look forward to doing business with you guys because I'm sure I'm going to kill some things. And the better the water quality, the better my chances are. So thanks a lot. And I'm going to wrap this video up.